Let me show you this. This is a carry case that you can buy from Amazon for $12. There is just this in here, little pouch, and this area with a rubber band. Okay, so I 3D printed this piece here to hold my microphones in place, and so the microphones don't fall out. I have 4 magnets inserted in the back. What that does is it can hold now an Insta mic here, like that. Then we cannot fall out because we use those magnets. The same for the clip that comes with the microphone here. Cannot fall out. Okay, this whole thing goes in here like this. Fits in perfect. It's held by this. You don't really need this rubber band because it's holding too. The microphones cannot fall out because of the magnets. And then here we can put those dead cats. Now I'm recording with this microphone. Let me switch to music and then show you how this will fit. So now I have the built-in microphone because I closed this up. Right, link to the model in the description below.